Alright guys, we're back with the Oldsmobile, as you saw in the earlier video. Kind of dark. We did the, or not what is it? I did the rear bearing and packed it with grease and put that seal in. I'm going to clean all this old, yucky, probably original, not probably original, but close to it, grease, because I'm sure these brakes haven't been done in a while. I'm going to wire wheel the guide pins, and probably wire brush the slots for this is an old one, but for the new clips. So as you can see, it's all yucky. Something's been leaking or whatever. So gonna get that done, and front left will be done, then I'll be on to the front right. So yeah, I find it interesting that this rotor had the groove. I mean, I've seen it before in one car, and then the actual brake pads have a groove too, so it like fits in the, not a groove, but they have the, whatever you want to call it, the line that goes in the groove. I find that pretty interesting. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, as you can see, all back together. The old pads right there, or one of them, I don't know where the other one is. The old rotor and hub and everything, the whole assembly right there. We have new bearings, new seals, new rotor, new studs, new everything. Almost new everything, but hopefully we should be all good. I'm gonna throw the wheel back on this side. I had no issues getting it together too. Just had to compress the piston, and with a little bit of influence, I got the everything together. So we're all tight. Guide pins are not greased up, but they have a little bit of grease. So whoever, if it's us or someone else, whoever does the brakes next, they have a nice time. And I'm gonna throw the wheel back on this side and move over to the other side, because the other side hasn't been touched yet. But yep, we should be all good. Later guys.